Welcome students. I'm all set to teach you about verbs, auxiliaries and modals. Auxiliaries and helping verbs. The auxiliary verbs or helping verbs have different forms. The auxiliary verb be is used as is, am, are, was, were. The auxiliary verb has is used as had, have, will have, shall have. The auxiliary verb do is used as did, does. The auxiliary verb can is used as can. Students, modals are auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. They are sometimes called modal auxiliaries. Questions, negative sentences, main verbs. In example 1, can he carry the bag? To frame a question, we place modal auxiliaries in front of the subject. Can, modal auxiliary, he, subject. In example 2, he cannot carry the bag. To make the sentence negative, we put not immediately after the modal auxiliary. In the third and fourth sentence, this DVD is Rahim's. Is a form of be verb. In the fourth example, I had a late lunch today. Had is a form of has verb. We use has, be as main verbs. The table shows the modals may, can, could. They ask for and express permission. In column A, may I drink water? You may come in. Suggest permission which is formal. In column B, can I borrow your pen? You can go home. Can suggest informal permission. Whereas in column C, he told me I could leave. Sir, could you suggest me leave on Saturday? Could suggest permission in the past and more polite than may. The table shows the modals can, could, be able to that express ability. In column 1, Mahesh can drive the new racing car. Can you play piano? Can indicates ability to do something. Remember students, can is also used to seek informal permission. In column 2, he could walk for a kilometer without a break. When I was young, I could climb stairs. Could suggest ability in the past. In column 3, he was able to write with both hands. She will be able to write with a fountain pen. Be able to indicates ability to do something which is more polite than can. The modals that express possibility are might, could, can, may. In column A, father might be at home this afternoon. Might indicates a big possibility. In column 2, could, the girl is crying, she could be injured. Could is used when there is a very big possibility. Students, remember, we have learned earlier, could is also used to suggest ability in the past. We have also learned that could is used to suggest permission in the past. And now we learn could is used to suggest a weak possibility in the future. In column 3, I can go with you to see the match. Can indicates general and occasional possibility. In column 4, father may be attending a meeting in his office. May indicates possibility which is stronger than might. Obligation, advice, suggestion. In column A, you should take the medicine twice daily. Second example, we should eat more vegetables and fruits. Third, should we call the police as someone is hiding in the garden? Should is used to make a suggestion or to give an advice. In column B, you must help your friend in need. You must complete your work now. You must finish your work by today. The model must suggest strong obligation. In column C, examples, you ought to plant trees to save the environment. He ought to look after his parents. We ought to close the running tap. The model ought to conveys a sense of moral duty. The models ought not to, must not indicate that something should not be done because it is a duty. Prohibitions. You ought not to talk in class. You must not use your mobile phones inside the hospital.